Welcome back to AgDealerTV. I'm your host, Spencer Myers. You're looking at one of the types of robots that we could see roaming around our farms in the near future. This prototype is the Zauberzeug, which, don't mind my German, translates roughly to magic convincing. It's a GPS-guided robot that's designed to sweep and clean industrial or farming sites. Keep in mind that this is just a prototype at the moment, but there's similar products being designed and tested in North America that you may have seen. This is being designed and tested in the European market by a company called Perpetual Mobile. They've done a lot of things with GPS and tracking in the past, and now they're starting to design some robotics and some farming products. Now your next question is probably going to be, how does this thing work? Is it going to just be bumping into my walls and my animals, or is it actually going to be able to clean? Well, the answer is that it works through GPS and through a camera. What you do is that you'll set up a camera in the corner of your shop or your barn, wherever you want this placed. And it also uses GPS tracking so that it will track the barn, look at the parameters, and then be able to scope out a path and an area for this robot to be able to clean. That means that it won't just be wandering aimlessly around your farm. It will only be sticking to a designated path. To help you understand a little bit better how this would actually work and how it would fit into your operation if you were to buy one, we have some footage from Perpetual Mobile showing it in some different scenarios and some actual farming situations. So the footage that you're going to see is going to show you how to set this up as well as kind of how it works. Now you're seeing a demonstration on how to set this up in a potential barn or shop scenario. You have a camera, you set it up to your smart device, and you also locate a housing device for the robot. This is where the robot quote-unquote sleeps and where it picks up the various attachments such as the brush or the rake, whatever you choose. As you can see, it can fully pivot in 360 and it can get around sharp corners, and it can also go under gates, which is really handy. Stay tuned to AgDealerTV for more information on when you could pick one of these up.